Ever heard a sound so smooth it felt like honey? That's mellifluous, a word describing sweetly flowing, pleasant sounds. The word mellifluous comes from Latin mel, meaning honey, and fluere, meaning to flow, literally flowing like honey. Imagine a gentle river, its waters gliding effortlessly. This visual captures the essence of something truly mellifluous. Mellifluous sounds are inherently pleasing, characterized by their smoothness and lack of harshness. They simply delight the ear. It's more than just a nice sound. It's a quality that soothes, charms, and captivates the listener effortlessly. Classical music often features mellifluous melodies, like a cello's warm tones or a flute's gentle song, flowing gracefully. Smooth jazz can also be incredibly mellifluous, with soft saxophone notes or a gentle piano creating a relaxing ambiance. Nature provides abundant mellifluous sounds. Listen to a babbling brook, its water song a natural soothing melody. The gentle chirping of birds at dawn, a soft cooing, can be a perfect example of nature's mellifluous chorus. A human voice can be profoundly mellifluous, like a skilled narrator whose tone is smooth, rich, and easy to listen to. Singers with mellifluous voices enchant us, their notes flowing seamlessly, creating a beautiful and captivating auditory experience. The delicate, clear tones of wind chimes dancing in a gentle breeze offer another instance of simple, mellifluous sound. When we speak of a mellifluous voice, we mean one that is smooth, flowing, and exceptionally pleasant to hear. Poetry, when read with a mellifluous cadence, allows the beauty of the words to flow like music to the ears. A storyteller with a mellifluous voice can transport listeners, making the narrative engaging and immersive through smooth delivery. The rhythm and flow of carefully chosen words, spoken smoothly, contribute significantly to a mellifluous linguistic experience. Contrast this with harsh, abrupt sounds. The difference highlights the unique, gentle appeal of mellifluous communication. Public speakers often cultivate a mellifluous tone to hold attention, convey warmth, and make their message more resonant. Mellifluous language isn't just pretty. Its smooth, pleasing nature can be subtly persuasive and more memorable. Mellifluous sounds often have a profoundly calming effect, easing tension and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. These sweet, smooth sounds can evoke positive emotions, lifting spirits and creating a feeling of warmth and happiness. The sensory experience of mellifluousness is like a gentle caress for the ears, a truly delightful and comforting sensation. One can create a mellifluous atmosphere with carefully chosen music or by cultivating a calm, gentle speaking voice. There's a strong link between mellifluous sounds and relaxation, making them ideal for unwinding and de-stressing. Mellifluous sounds, whether in music, nature, or voice, enrich our world with their smooth, sweet, and flowing beauty. Let's take a moment to appreciate these gentle auditory gifts, the mellifluous experiences that soften and sweeten our lives.